Good afternoon, everybody. This is Obi1K21 Show Me Drones. I'm excited to be here with you talking about something that we all are waiting and very intrigued to know what DJI has to show us on October the 20th. Yes, it's a DJI Mavic 3. We'll be seeing officially what the DJI Mavic 3 is all about on October the 20th, and I can't wait to see this. We all very excited about this new drone with dual cameras, the zoom camera and micro four third cameras, and everything that has been said about this drone when it comes out. From the battery life of 46 minutes